Boy, Valiant, you look like you have to go back a St. Mary, my G. Cause a man can't assault. You look like everybody after you. First, Kabaka Pyramid criticized you about the Rasta song and video. To be honest, Kabaka have a point still. The song and the video no represent what a Rasta is about. I know persons are saying Kabaka a hypocrite because as a Rasta, him silent about other so-called Rasta artists' actions, and why all of a sudden him start defend Rasta. That's also a good point. But I think Kabaka and the fans that call him a hypocrite can be both right at the same time. But not even this the video is about, Have you read the editorial in the Jamaican Gleaner titled Why is Dancehall Artist Valiant at UWI Carnival, which was published on March 13th, 2023. If you haven't, I will leave a link in the description. When I read the title, I assumed that the author was talking about why a dancehall artist will perform at a carnival event. And that's a reasonable question. But when we read the article, we get confused. Basically, the article states that Valiant is not a good fit to perform at UWI due to his controversial Dunce Check song, promoting the lack of interest in education and continued promotion of scamming in his lyrics. All fair points, but let's reason. One of the purposes of the UWI Carnival is to provide entertainment to its student body and its patrons. I'm sure that a large percentage of fans don't partake in any activities heard in Valiant songs because they don't take the songs literally, but just see it as just pure entertainment. Valiant is currently Jamaica's most popular artist between the age group 17 to 25 years old. It makes sense to invite him to perform at an event in Jamaica where the audience would be mostly of that age range, because at the end of the day, the promoters want to host an entertaining event. But, I could have looked past this article until Sarah, the writer of the newsletter, said, inviting Valiant to perform at the UWI Carnival is against the ethics of the university and society. No, this isn't a bash on Carnival, but it's not known for its ethics and morality. With sexually suggested lyrics and costumes that leaves little to the imagination, whining and acts that simulate sex, I don't think it ranks high on the morality scale. Somebody who claims to be a student of UWI can't be so tone deaf. And here, my people, is proof that there are two Jamaican societies, the upper class and the lower class. It's 2023 and some uptowners still continue to scorn and disrespect anything created from outside their social group. Classism 101. For many years, soca or carnival is seen as an uptown activity in Jamaica, with the backing of major stakeholders for years, while we continue to see limited sponsorship for dancehall events. Something that is created by Jamaicans is continued to be dismissed and underdeveloped. But a culture we have adopted from our Caribbean neighbor Trinidad has a total backing from major entities in Jamaica. This isn't a bash on Carnival. I respect the culture and the history of it. Carnival was brought to Trinidad by the French settlers in the 1700s. Participation was generally reserved for the white elite, with other classes and races only being allowed to participate if they were performing. The African slaves began their own parallel celebration, called Canboulay. After the emancipation of the slaves in the 1830s, Canboulay evolved to become what we know as Carnival today. Anyway, big up Valiant. They might fight you, but you still arise. However, you do something which I thought was a blunder.
Play the right song. I want the blood. Hey boy, turn off that with the name there 19, boy. Hey, turn off. Hey. Chairman. Run cartel, no man.
Valiant, you can't say no beef or passa and do that. People gravitate to you because in your interviews and lives, you appear to be humble and determined. Now you make it at the top. Please keep a level head. The same fans who love and support you can hate you and tear you down. We all know the issue you and Popcaan have.
This the relationship of as my put say. You don't like him? They don't like him. Now I have to tell you straight. So if you're not ready for go up on stage, don't ask Popcaan for calling up on stage if you're not ready. So you better go training camp. So we tell him, go to the what? Training camp.
But you had an interview where you said that you learned from it.
I have to ask you that question. Did you feel some type of way when Popcaan comment on your performance at the show in Trelawney?
Honestly, I did feel a way, but I know I never perform good. Because when I jump out on the stage, I didn't even introduce myself. Because I did nervous. I never confident. So enough people that say what this, I never this, a real talking to me.
You left the unruly camp maybe for a different reason. But people are still wondering if you and Papi good. But now, you show your hand to the public. I don't think it was necessary for this Popcaan like that. But hey, it done gone bad already. And because of this, people are saying that you're getting hype. And that not good for the Valiant brand. Anyway, UWI Carnival today and tonight. If you're going, please drink responsibly. Stay blessed, stay safe, and thanks for watching.